So this project here is in Elyria. They're not doing any windows. We're gonna do carpet in bedrooms, paint, new light fixtures, new electrical, obviously. Watch out, Colt. In here too is just gonna get carpet.
There's no light.
Yeah, no light. Just paint, normal stuff, change knobs on the doors, try to keep the existing doors. This was all old school paneling. This is gonna get drywall and new plumbing. Gonna do a tile floor in here, new bathtub, and then with a tile surround. And then obviously, you know, new drywall and stuff like that, toilet vanity, etc., etc. This will get new vinyl plank all the way through the hall. So I wanted to get a quick before video. This is, we already started demo. Anywhere you see open studs is was paneling, either with water damage or it was just coming apart. It's old school 50s house. So kitchen, we're just adding another cabinet over there, painting everything, changing out light fixtures, everything. Painting cabinets white, new laminate countertops. We had to fix subfloor right here that was all rotten. Something leaked out of the fridge and rotted the floor out. We're getting a new garage door. Old school garage door, so I don't think anything's going on in here. If they want to add it later, maybe we'll paint in here. I'm not sure. A new garage door. And then this will actually, I got to get all this video before they start tonight. So this is some of the stuff that we demoed that we got to get out of here still. Just some miscellaneous drywall fixes. Unfortunately, I don't have a way to show you the old door. We already put a new front door in. We got to get a glazer out here to fix that window. I'll get closer and show that. But, so the problem with this house is it's block. So you can see there's a standard door, and then we had to build this out with a crazy big extension jam. And then here we'll fill this with floor leveler, and then we're running vinyl plank over it, and everything will match up and look okay. This should probably stay that color. I don't think we're painting that. We're doing like flat white ceilings, a soft gray wall, and then a semi-gloss white trim. But like you can even see, there's not really window casing. We added door casing to that. You know, and it'll pop more obviously once we get everything painted and everything gets that. But big thing I wanted to show is stuff at the basement. There's still probably, I don't know if there's water down here still or not. Yeah, it looks like it. So, yeah, let me just put, so we're in the basement. We have an old bathroom over here. All this stuff's backed up. The problem is we think the storm drains failed. On top of that, the foundation has failed. We're thinking the best solution, obviously, is just to come around the entire perimeter, dig down to the footer, obviously fix that window, dig down the perimeter down to the footer, add corrugated pipe, dig a hole for a sump pump, run a sump pump out to drain. I don't know where he's going to put it yet. I'm more or less subbing it out, but it's holding right now at least 4 inches of water down here currently. So that's where we're at with it. I'm going to get a new hot water tank, ton of new gas lines, water lines, all the plumbing upstairs will be good. All this ceiling will get demoed. There's mold spores down here everywhere. This will all get painted. Nice epoxy floors, etc., etc. It'll look really nice. So I need to get a before.